Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to explain how to create the best research article using artificial intelligence and ICT tools, and that is the topic. And today I would like to create the best research article in Science Citation Index and Scopus research article according to Springer format, according to IEEE format, according to Elsevier format, according to some reputed journals format, we are going to create. Let me justify the title by using AI and ICT tools to craft an exceptional research article using artificial intelligence and information communication technology tools. We are focusing on integrating these technologies throughout the research process from initial idea generation to final polishing. That means the final ready-made application we are preparing. So what is the role AI in AI can assist us to prepare literature reviews from the collected research papers, and then we are drafting, we are editing and formatting with the help of ICT tools, offer efficient data management, collaboration and dissemination. So however, it is crucial to use these tools and responsibly ensuring academic integrity, ethical information and critical thinking. Especially AI in education, we have lot of challenges like data privacy and security, and bias and discrimination, and plagiarism and academic integrity. We need to think of these challenges while submitting a paper to the reputed journals. Then what are the benefits AI in education? We are enhancing our learning outcomes, time and cost efficiency, global access to education, and applications like assessment automation, intelligent tutoring system, and everywhere we are using this artificial intelligence in education especially. So PhD defense questions usually all are faculty and academic members and students, research scholars. So everybody knows, but just a brief glance about what are the PhD defense questions. Typically, those questions are spanning related to motivation, what is the methodology we are using, and how we are going to do experimental results, then what are the research challenges, issues, limitations, and future work. So related to introduction, what motivated you to do this research? What is your main contribution to knowledge? How does your contribution connect to your research goals, etc. Then coming to literature review, we are collecting various reputed journals in the past 3 years. How did you select or exclude sources, and what gaps or challenges exist in this literature? How did you address these gaps, and what is the methodology we are using by understanding of limitations of existing papers? What is your understanding of relevant research methods, and what are the existing methods, and what are the proposed methods they have used in their research, and what other methods did you consider but not use, and why? We are integrating, we are leveraging, we are hybrid models we are using for our proposed method. And then how did you develop your research design? By using existing drawbacks, what are the proposed approach? Why is your chosen method appropriate for this research? So we are cross-checking with the latest published articles. Then we are finding what is the impact of our research paper. Is it beneficial for the society, or who benefit most from your research, and what are the main limitations and challenges and issues, how do these limitations affect your claims to knowledge, how could you do differently if starting again. So what are the benefits? Did you reach your objectives? We are setting our research objectives 3 or 4. Then did you answer your main research question? What would you do differently? Is there any innovative solution or novelties there? Then this is the structure, PhD thesis structure. We have introduction. Among again in introduction we have problem and context and research problem, significance of study, what are the research questions, objectives, thesis statement, and structure of the research article. Then literature review, we are having theoretical framework, current state of knowledge, research gaps, key concepts and definitions, and a methodology like research design, data collection, methods, sampling strategy, what is the analytical approach we are using, what is the ethical consideration, etc. Then experimental results and analysis, how we are preparing data presentation, what are the key findings, and what are the statistical analysis if applicable, or interpretation or machine learning and deep learning analysis, what are the interpretation of results we are performing on our implemented papers. Then what discussion about results, whether it is a synthesis, whether it is a real-time data or synthetic data, and we are analyzing the discussion part related to synthesis of findings, and what is the relation to research questions, what are the implications of results, what are the limitations of study, all those things we are discussing. What is the performance we got it, whether it is a model performance or system performance, those things we are checking with validation metrics like accuracy, precision, F1 score, recall, and AUC, ROC, confusion matrix, etc. Then conclusion, we are summarizing the key points, then we are making contributions to the field, and what are the recommendations you are suggesting, and what is the future research directions, and supporting elements like supplementary material like abstract, references, appendices, and acknowledgement. This is the general idea about a PhD thesis structure. Then what is the spine of a strong research paper? We need to have abstract with 150 to 250 words. Depends on the problem statement. What are the three key parts like purpose, method, findings, no references or citations in the abstract. Then what is the title? 10 to 15 words, including include IV and DV or Kiwi variable theme, and avoid vague phrases like a study of so and so, like then literature review, we are considering 1000 to 1500 words, organized thematically or chronologically, and we are collecting nearly 30 to 50 papers, and explain model, quantitative studies, then avoid dumping citations, synthesize instead, use a subheading for clarity, maximum 3 levels you can use. Then coming to introduction part, more or less 1000 words you need to prepare, like 4 paragraphs, like hook and relevance, background, define problem and gap, past efforts or literature, aim of study. So paragraphs 8 to 10 lines, sentences more or less 17 words. Then what is the methodology? Use past tense, include subsections like participants or tools and procedure, write in clear logical steps each subsection less than 300 words we need to write in the methodology part. Then results, the visuals were possible, like the suitable graphs like bar chart, pie chart, and area map, and there are plenty of graphs are available related to line graph, okay, and a scatter plot, etc. Then one result per paragraph, like PLSM, you can use example. Then no discussion, just present the data, and all tables and figures must be referred in the text. Then discussion, experimental discussion. We are performing interpret key findings, connect to theory, address limitations honestly, and 5 to 6 paragraphs maximum. Then the conclusion, we need to know new data and reaffirm your contributions and suggest next steps. Keep it under 250 words. This is about the spine of strong research paper. Then what are the AI tools? Summary step of PhD thesis. So for topic discovery and research identification, and connected papers, research rabbit, consensus, etc. You can use any AI tool. For literature review, connected papers, research rabbit, consensus, etc. Research methodology planning, you can use ChatGPT Pro, AI Dungian for simulation purpose. Then data collection and analysis, you can use ChatGPT plus code, interpreter using Python or Orange, Rapid Miner. These are the data analysis tools. Thesis writing and paraphrasing, we can use Writeful, Quillbolt, Grammarly, and Gen AI. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. Reference management, we can use Jotaro, Mendeley, EndNote. Figures and diagrams and visual abstracts, you can use Lucidchart, BioRender, Canva, academic purpose. Plagiarism check and originality, we can use Turnitin, PlagScan, Grammarly, Premium, etc. Journal selection and paper submission, we are having Journal Finder, Elsevier, and Adange, Rural. Then thesis defense preparation and presentation, Time AI and Beautiful AI, ChatGPT, etc. Then artificial intelligence role in assignment writing, we have enhanced writing quality, boost productivity, top AI writing tools, and creating high quality assignments, ethical values, and AI assisted research, free and paid options are available. Then AI and ICT driven framework for crafting high impact SCI and Scopus research articles. So we are selecting, we are identifying research gaps, and we are doing a target, we are doing literature review and automation with the semantic search and NLP tools. Then we are structuring high impact papers using ICT based templates and tools. Then AI powered paraphrasing and academic writing enhancement tools. Reference management using citation generators and smart bibliography tools. Then we are avoiding plagiarism detection and reduction using AI enabled platforms. Data visualization and graph generation with ICT software, example Origin, MATLAB, Python. Target journal finder and submission readiness check using AI platforms. Language and grammar and style refinement using AI editors, example Grammarly, Trinka. Then a target journal finder and submission readiness check using AI platforms. Then if you see the top AI tools like chatbots like ChatGPT, and top AI tools like it's number one right now, ChatGPT. We have Claude, we have Gen AI, Bing Chart. for chatbots. You can for content generation you can use a Jasper, Writer, Notion AI, and spreadsheets you can use numerous. Meeting recording we are using Oval and Fireflies. Personal productivity we are using Rewind and Mem. For audio editing we are using Descript, Adobe Podcast. Image generation we are using Midjourney, Adobe Firefly. Slide decks we are using Gamma and Tome. And chart with the PDF we are using Chart PDF. Synthetic voices like 11 Labs and Play.ht. So these are the top AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Canva, and Google Bard for hugging face spaces, DALI for image creations we are using, Notion AI, Crisp AI, Tome AI, Copy.ai. So these AI tools are software applications operated by artificial intelligence technologies that perform tasks such as data analysis, content creation, automation, or problem solving, often mimicking human intelligence to enhance efficiency and decision making. So AI tools for research, especially SciSpace, Scholarcy, Napkin, Cite, Jenny AI, Julius, Consensus, Connected Papers, OpenRead, LitMaps, etc. These AI tools for research offers a concise overview of cutting edge AI tools designed to streamline literature review, writing, analysis, and publication for modern researchers. So, SciSpace we are using for explore scientific papers with simplified summaries and explanation purpose. Scholarcy we are using automatically generate summaries, highlights, and flashcards from academic papers and portable document file format. Napkin, yeah, it is a visual thinking tool that helps researchers map, organize, and connect their ideas like a digital whiteboard. Then Udly, it enhances presentation and research communication by offering AI-based feedback on public speaking skills. Litmaps visualizes citation networks to discover related research and track the evolution of scientific ideas. And OpenRead, it allows AI assisted reading, annotation, and summarization of research articles for faster comprehension. Then Cite, it is an intelligent AI tool, how articles are cited supportively and contradictorily and neutrally. Then Notebook LM, it is a Google powered AI research assist that helps synthesize and query uploaded documents and notes. Connected papers like builds visual graphs for research paper relationships to identify foundational and derivative works. And Humata, it answers questions from research PDFs instantly using AI, making scientific documents easier to navigate, etc. And Atlas.ti, qualitative data analysis software used for coding and interpreting and textual and multimedia data. Research Rabbit, it is an AI literature discovery tool that maps relevant papers and authors visually and interactively. Then our discovery tool, it curates and delivers personalized and open access paper recommendations. Jenny AI, it writing assistant that helps draft academic content with citations and contextual auto completion. Julius, it is AI assist for data analysis and evidence synthesis, useful in scientific and clinical research. Elicit, AI research assistant that finds and organizes information from papers to answer research questions. What about consensus? It uses AI to find expert backed answers from peer reviewed papers in seconds. Then Evidence Hunt, it finds clinical evidence from databases. and automates evidence synthesis in healthcare research. So, what are the best research tools in 2025? We have Litmaps, Semantic Scholar, NVO, SPSS, Statistical Package for Social Sciences, Grammarly for grammar checking, and Paperpal. If you want to generate content, you can use it. So, up to this one, introduction part about AI tools and explanation. So this is about introduction to how to write the best research articles using AI and ICT tools. Now second part will be a practical session. Okay, I'm going to stop here. This 20 minutes completely theory part.